All right, what is up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in for today's video. We are going to talk about indicators. Indicators is the hot topic, especially when you start trading. Everyone is talking about, this indicator is going to make you money. Buy this indicator, buy my course, buy this indicator. You will make millions. Do not fall for that crap. They prey on the new traders who believe that it's the indicator that's going to make the money. And these grimy salespeople trying to pitch you their indicator that's going to make you millions of dollars, when in fact it's going to make them millions of dollars. So don't fall for it. But yeah, indicators, all of the indicators are pretty much lagging. So lagging indicators, technical indicators, 9 EMA, 20 EMA, 200 EMA, they're all lagging indicators. They tell you what price happened in the past. The 200 EMAs tells you the average of the price in the past 200 candles. The 9 EMA is the past 9 candles. The 20 EMA is the past 20 candles. So it's the average, it's a historical, it's a lagging indicator of what price did in the past, not what's happening right now. So that's why it's such a hard time when you're trying to buy and sell just based off of indicators, because it's not really predicting what's going to happen in the future. It's just telling you what happened in the past, and a lot of times it will not work out. A lot of these indicators, they may work one time, but they will have 20 gajillion false buy signals that you get into that just chops you out, and the winners just do not make up for the losers. Plus, also, look at the 9 EMA is crossing the 20. We got to buy here, guys. We're buying here mentally. 214, guys. We're placing this buy. You know what? Let's just place, just for the video, we're going to buy one share here. The 9 EMA just crossed the 20, guys. Everyone get in CLRO. Everyone and their mother should be getting in CLRO right now. The 9 EMA just crossed the 20. I'm going to blast it on Facebook Live and Twitter Live, because the 9 EMA just crossed over to 20. That's some big news here. So we're getting in here, 214. This is the buy signal. And so what I'm trying to say is, there's just so many false indicators. You never really know, when it's actually going to, stick and the price is going to run. So that's the problem with indicators. And, a lot of beginner traders, their charts, they start ending up like this, and they can't even see their chart anymore, and they're trying to find the bottom here. And, they have all these conflicting indicators telling this is when they should buy, this is when they should sell. And that, they never really find that perfect buy, because, you get a lot of indicators that are conflicting during that time. So, that's another problem with, beginner traders trying to find that magic indicator, is that, they never really learn price action because they're busy, looking for that indicator, or looking for that perfect indicator, or they're like meshing different indicators together and they start conflicting with each other, and they can never really get, a solid, buy signal or solid sell signal. But here we're up about 1 penny here on CLRO. So yeah, that's kind of what my chart looked like. It more looked like this. I started using this thing called the Ichimoku cloud. I guess it's Japanese. It's like a Japanese style of trading, and I thought this would be my ticket to my riches. The Ichimoku cloud. And pretty much what you do is similar to the 9 EMA and 20 EMA strategy. And, every time they call the kitchen sen, every time the kitchen sen crosses over the senku, whenever the Tenkan Sen, which is this red line, would cross over the blue line, which is the kitchen sen, you would buy. So this is a buy signal. You want to hold this and hold it, and then it crosses over the kitchen. The kitchen is the sell signal, and you sell here into this dump, and somehow you're supposed to make money. And then this green cloud is, if the cloud is green, it's bullish. When the cloud is green, it's bullish. When the cloud is red, it's bearish. So there's all these different lines. There's the Tenkan Sen line, the Kitchen Sen, the Senku Span A, the Chiku Span, which is like a lagging indicator telling you pretty much a historical. It's pretty much like a mirror of the price action, just kind of shifted off, which is somehow supposed to give you an indicator if like this line is underneath the price action, it's bearish, or if it's over the price action, the current price action, it's bearish. I tried this for a while, for a good few months, and I was tracking every trade, and it just never worked out. I just never was able to get profitable using that. And so, I just went through a purge. I purged, hey, look, I'm up 3 cents, guys, 3 cents on CLRO. Did like a purge through indicators. I just started naked trading. They call it naked trading. And I deleted all my indicators, every single indicator, and my screen was just the chart. It was just the chart, the level 2, the volume, and the tape. That was it. I had no VWAP, I had no 9 EMA, no 20 EMA, no clouds, no kitchens. I had no kitchens, no Tenkins, no whatever you call it. And I was just trading naked. And that was actually a good step for me because it actually allowed me to really just focus on price action. If I could just get green, wow, look at this. That 9 EMA, 20 EMA strategy is really working out, huh? Wow, okay. There might be a bigger move in this. I'm up 10 cents. Holy crap. Well, the 9 EMA, so really, I got a good entry here at 214. The 9 EMA crossed the 20. Now, we're going to sell when the 9 EMA crosses back through the 20. So I'm not going to sell this until it's back through. So yeah, in summary, really the indicators, I just don't really just follow blindly anymore. As a beginner trader, I would just follow indicators blindly because I thought that was going to make me profitable. But after just purging, I just wanted to become a trader, and so bad that I just was willing to just purge the entire chart, purge the entire chart to force me to learn a price action. After learning price action, that's actually when I started to become profitable. And here we are, up almost 20 cents here on this test trade on CLRO with that 9 crossing the 20 EMA. So right in this trend, this is crazy. Apparently, that was a perfect entry. So yeah, you can try it with your experience, doing that 9 EMA, 20 EMA crossover. It does work. Just for example, it's working right here. I'm up 10%. A nice home run trade here on percentage wise. So it's definitely worth a shot. It's definitely a good learning experience to attempt to trade with indicators and see how your stats turn out. Are you going to be profitable over the long term? Yeah, it may have worked one time, but I'm not sure if this is going to work every single time. So it's definitely you definitely want to track your trades before you just start sizing up into this strategy blindly. But yeah, in my experience, it never really worked out consistently. So I ended up purging all of those indicators, learning how to read the price action and draw my own technicals and taking entries and exits off of that alone. And that actually was starting allow me to go profitable. And after I was profitable, I found that putting these indicators back in actually kind of just helped me with judging, the barometer of, the strength of the stock, how strong the stock is, and, when to go long and when the chart is more bearish, with the VWAP. So really, there is no golden indicator that's going to make you money, and that's going to be, your ticket to riches. The only way that the strategy is going to work is if you are well versed and well experienced in technical analysis and reading the real-time indicators, which are the most important, more important than the actual indicators is the lagging indicators is the real-time indicators. And people, believe it or not, people trade just off the level 2. They won't even have a chart. There's people who are professional traders who just trade like this. They buy here, they sell here, they buy here and they sell here, or whatever. And they're just reading the real-time indicators. They're just reading the tape, the orders going through, the level 2, the bid and the spread of the bid and the ask, or the blocks of sellers versus buyers, and they can just read the supply and demand of the stock. And that is where this real skill comes in. And being a successful day trader is reading these indicators, the real-time indicators. That's my take on indicators and my history with indicators. Going from a crap ton of indicators looking like spaghetti lines all over the place to completely naked trading, then to finally figuring out, learning the technical analysis and reading the real-time indicators, and then only, importing some of the indicators back into my trading to kind of help me and aid me a little bit. So that's my history. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. Check out the links down below. I do have a Triad Trading Lounge Discord channel, which you guys can join and interact with the community. So join that and hope to see you guys in the community. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. All right, still have not gotten that sell signal yet when the 9 crosses the 20, but I am going to take my 30-cent gains here, selling it for $2.42. So I got in at $2.14, and I got in and I got out at $2.42. So about a 13% gain on that 9 EMA 20 EMA crossover. So it did work. So it did work. I can't say that it doesn't work, but definitely you want to track your trades over a long period of time and see how it turns out.